Okay guys, Kai here, welcome to the, oh god, I believe it's the 12th vlog. No, it's the 13th. I'm really pressed for time today. I'm going on a hike with my dad and one of my friends, Matt. We're going to do some cool filming. It's up to like waterfall and stuff near me, but I have like 10 minutes to get ready, so I'm just going to speed through getting ready here. Okay, so first I gotta get dressed. Just remembered, guys, that I'm going to Matt's to film afterwards, and it's a green screen. So wearing green shorts are not the best option. Because I gotta grab all my camera gear and equipment, so I'm gonna start with. Okay, now I need this little tripod here. Okay guys, so we also need this SD card, just as a backup for my camera, and that one for my GoPro, which I'll get in a second. Just throw this in here. Guys, I'm gonna have to figure out what to do on Sunday, because I'm going to Boy Scout camp for a week, and I have to figure out some content to upload. I'm probably just gonna do like a 1 or 2 minute long thing every day. Use my phone, an iMovie. Got my GoPro, by the way, guys. Gonna plop the SD card in it. Okay, next thing we need to grab are my batteries. Lots of extra batteries. And I think that's it, guys, actually. So I'm running extremely low on time, but not extremely low on things to do. Grab my knife, I always have it. Sorry if that was a little bit out of focus. Next thing we got to do is feed the cats. It's kind of hard to separate. Just make sure you don't get on the counter. I'm coming back up. Hmm? Hey guys. Hey. I'm gonna go up and get ready in the bathroom, so I'm gonna leave you guys down here with the cats and do some filming. Hopefully they don't knock over the camera. Okay guys, before picking up my friend, we're gonna go to Dunkin' Donuts and get some coffee and maybe a donut or so.
I got a small iced caramel latte and a bacon, egg, and cheese on a roll. What did I say about that thing?
Yeah, it looks like something that...
Yeah, I'm gonna get one for an iPhone. It's like 7 wonderful. Flipping 18 times. And that wasn't When did they put the nothing's max. 3-mile runs to catch a Pokemon.
Shut up.
This makes me nervous.
Leave your backpack and be very careful with that camera. On the roof of my house like this.
Really slippery up here.
Taking good pictures?
Yep.
All right. Let's go all the way up top.
We are asking the same question. This goes like really way out of the way. It's definitely a trail.
Restricted area.
It's not. This just keeps going farther and farther. Oh my god, this backpack is heavy. Do you guys walk any faster?
Can you walk any slower?
Hey guys.
Yeah.
To this, in about an hour, there's an 80% chance of thunderstorms.
Oh, that's an app.
What if he's like so rainy?
Get down from the mountain. Go check out Matt's channel in the description. Look at these kids. You know, these kids made it up.
Get down by it. I should kind of look something.
Okay, Matt's teaching me about Pokemon Go.
Oh, is this like a thing now? Okay.
That's something new for me. How did you get that? Okay guys, just got home from Matt's. I didn't film much there because we didn't do much really. He was supposed to get a green screen today, but it never came, or his dad never, he couldn't get it in time, but we were supposed to mess with that, but it's okay. We looked at some other stuff. But I'm going to go in and start editing the footage from today. It should turn out really cool. Okay guys, just an update. I've been working on a vlog for a long time. It's getting pretty long, but I'm going to go down to my neighbors next door, who I talked about before, is a director, and she's also an actor, and then her husband's an actor, but we're just going to go down there right now. Yeah, maybe I'll film stuff down there. If not, I'll get back to you guys later. Hey guys, just got back from my neighbors. I actually, we watched some of my vlogs and stuff, because again, she's a director. I'll have her IMDb page in the description. But anyway, we just got back. This is going to do it for this vlog. I didn't film anything there, because I actually forgot my camera at home, so I didn't get to film anything. But, guys, there's stuff on my lens. I don't know why. Also, sorry guys, today there is some spots on my lens. I think it was from when it got a little bit misty when I was doing the waterfall. But anyway, I think today's vlog came out really cool and was not boring like the last few. So yeah, that's going to do it for this vlog. All my other channels can be found in the feature bar on this channel. Please remember to like and subscribe if you want to see more of this content. And I'll see you tomorrow in the next vlog.